morning, guys. This is block 3 of Phon-Er. We are on our way to fix another phone. Just wanna kind of be blessed for that beautiful day, beautiful sky, beautiful sunny LA weather. It's right now 77 and it's not even 12 yet, because it means it's gonna be a hot, warm day. And that's a beautiful day for me because the vitamin D really does give us the extra energy that we need to have a functional, fully energized day, which we need to get what we want done and give whatever our day plan is. So I'll take care of it. Yeah, so we're now driving to Phon-Er, California to fix a 5S from a corporation called GFW. Wait, it's Golden West with group, so it's GWFG. So that's the name of the company. So we're driving there now. It's a meat company, so they kind of cater to Jack Daniels and they do other, and they sell meats to like local, Trader Joe's or that's a really bad example. But they also, I believe their conductors are like Their Brothers and other markets that literally buy meat. Anyways, yeah, so that's what they do, and I met them like a long time ago when I was there to a friend, and then they just told me that they wanted my number because the IT always has a lot of phones that get broken in that facility because they do meat work, so they're always moving around and cutting meat and etc. So the employees of all different levels always break the phone, so I was a perfect catch for them. So they took down my number, my information, and then since then, that was a year ago, I've been doing their phones like almost like every other week. I have to be there at least once or twice, and it's a good deal because they pay you for just being there, even if the job is super small. They're pretty nice people, and the guy is a really nice guy. His name is Mac. Cool guy. We actually became friends, and he invited me to dinner last week or after contractees for almost a year now. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool place. I'm now heading down there and to get that phone fixed. It's a screen change, so it's going to be easy switch swap. So that's about it. Oh, that's a pretty cool word, switch swap. We should probably point that. Sounds good. Anyways, yeah, so wish you guys a beautiful day, and wherever you are, whatever state you are in. Summer is coming, so I hope every other place is as sunny and beautiful as it's here in LA right now. It's just so awesome and beautiful. It's like beautiful sky, beautiful weather. Super cool. Yep, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna just keep driving until I get there. It should be another 20 minutes. It's not that far. It's just like 10 miles, but with the traffic, yeah, I was extra like 5-6 minutes added to it. But I'm grateful. Sir, so I guess I will be back here and give you updates, but in the meantime we'll take the camera inside so you can see the facility. And I'm not sure if I'm allowed to record, but I'm pretty sure I am. I'm not really recording anything confidential, so we'll do that, and then you will see what I do best to repair that phone and where I kind of settle down, and you'll be the receptionist, cool person in Maria. And that'll be it for now. Stay tuned. True.
Start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop up and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love. night off and weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me is thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving it in a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
And we're getting a call, so it's interrupted. Sorry guys, 1 second. It's customer Phon-Er. Phon-Er speaking.
Oh, hi. This is Rob calling from Mediate Developers.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm calling on Ramin's behalf. He's still having trouble with his phone. Apparently it's not scrolling correctly. It freezes.
Yeah, actually, I was gonna call and tell you guys about that. Like last time when I came in, I changed the screen. The screen that I had changed, it was already swapped by somebody else, so that wasn't even my own screen. So when I took it back to my factory to be sent back to Apple, they said this screen was swapped. It wasn't an Apple screen. It was like somebody swapped the screen. Like Ramin must have been somewhere where someone was checking their phone out, or I don't know if it was done intentionally, but the screen was pretty much swapped for a really low quality screen. So I took $100 loss on that deal because the screen that I put for him, for the screen that he had me swap for, because he said he was working, it was somebody else's screen. It wasn't the screen that I had installed 2 weeks ago before that. So tell him that.
That doesn't make any sense.
Well, I mean, the facts are fact. I mean, I have a video of it actually. I shot a video because just to prove it to him that the part inside was swapped, and I never actually had that before in my life for someone to trick me like that. But I'm sure maybe Ramin didn't even do it intentionally. Just he probably went to a shop for a different reason, and they looked at his phone and they swapped his screen because they saw it was a higher quality screen. So probably happened like that. I just didn't want to call and tell you guys that because it was very awkward situation, so I didn't want to kind of impose that upon you because I'm very professional, even though I took a full loss on that one, but still.
Alright, well let me ask him about it.
Yeah.
What would it take to fix it then?
Left turn ahead.
What would it take to fix it? You mean the screen that he has on right now?
Yes.
Well, I mean, the screen that he has right now is pretty much like a freebie screen because he didn't pay for it, because the screen that I took back, it was a different screen. So it'll just take I mean, at least $100 for me to swap that, because the screen that is on right now is not even paid for. It's my screen.
Right. I got it. Alright, well let me talk to him about it and we'll figure it out, because it's just, I mean, ultimately we have to fix it.
Yeah, definitely. I'm just telling you, like, that never happened to me before. Usually what I do in this situation in the past is someone wants to kind of play like a little trick on me. I don't bother even going back there because I feel like there's like a crime done, But because the Ramin and Sal are, I mean, we're just, we've had a history because I've been so many times. And so I mean, so that's why I'm willing to forgive, assuming that it wasn't any wrongdoing. He was just kind of.
Well, the reason I find that odd is that I can't imagine him doing it on his own. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
No. I don't mean that. I mean even taking the phone somewhere.
Oh, okay.
He's not going to do that. He's going to call someone to come in and do it. He's not.
Yeah. That's the reason why I was like
so
surprised too.
I'm very perplexed. I don't understand. So let me talk to him about it, and then I'll call you back because, like I said, we need to get it fixed. He has to be able to use his phone.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean that is exactly the way that I felt, because I was like, I'm like Ramin. He doesn't even want to go to the store because he has no time. Why would he go somewhere else to have it swapped? You know.
Right.
That's what I thought. But I didn't want to just call him and make him feel bad or awkward. So I was like, okay, I'll just take a loss until next time. Yeah. Okay. So just let me know. All right. Thanks for
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the name of you. Push and pull like a magnet. My heart is falling. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Like I'm discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on.
Okay, guys. So that the phone call that just came in, that was from a guy. His name is Ramin. He has his own thing going on. He builds houses for celebrities and properties. Pretty much what happened was I went to his shop a few weeks ago, actually 2 weeks ago, and I changed the iPhone 6s Plus screen, which is a pretty expensive screen. Cost me $100 for that screen, and then pretty much that's how much we buy it for, because we get the premium one, not the cheapy ones. So I go there and I fix the phone. I was actually going back there to because he said he was having issues with his phone, so I was going back there. And so upon getting there, I noticed that his screen is not working properly. But what really happened was I opened the phone and I didn't see anything wrong with it, right? But I noticed like the screen wasn't my screen that I installed, but I was like, no, I'm probably just seeing things, even though it gave me a little clue. But so then when I took that screen back to my manufacturer who works with Apple, they said this screen wasn't the screen that we sold you, because they have like certain stickers that they kind of mark on per sale. So they say, yeah, the sticker's not on it, which is true, because that's the reason why I guess everything made sense. So I felt like being cheated from this guy, that he literally just either had someone swap a screen or he did himself or somewhere. I don't know. I mean, something went wrong pretty much, and that was my first time being cheated on a screen. Kind of like, imagine like you putting a great working screen that you quality control yourself, and you make sure that everything works perfectly before you even install the screen, and then a week later they call you and say, hey, your screen is shit, it's not even working. So that's my French. So I mean, so I just told them right now that, hey, I'm like, just to be honest, that screen that I changed and I got my other screen back, it wasn't even my screen. So I technically gave the customer a free screen, because he kind of still has my old screen that I was supposed to get reimbursed for being defective, but because the fact that he swapped it in a different shop, I didn't get my screen back. When I gave him a new screen, I got someone else's screen that was worth probably like $20 or $30. So I told him that if he's willing to pay $100, which is just the cost of my new screen, I'm willing to go back there and put a new screen on it. But otherwise, I'm not going back there, because that's just like wrong. Purely wrong to cheat somebody out of their money just because they feel like they need to, even though he didn't even need to, because he has so much money. I mean, he's pretty like well off. So anyways, okay, he's calling back. Hey Rob.
Your destination is ahead.
Hang up. He'll call back. And here we are at the Golden.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Hey, you already know. You already know. That's the cool security guard. She's a super awesome person. And here we are at the Golden. That's where we are actually. It's pretty cool. I'm actually gonna park here because the visitor parking is so much easier to get around after. Otherwise, you have to go through lots of loops. Here's where I am. Here's the place. It's pretty chill. And I'm going to repair now, so I'm gonna put this on my tripod, which I have from GoPro. It's pretty cool. Kind of cool. It's like it's like a selfie stick, and then it opens up like an alien, and it becomes like. And this thing actually like goes up, and you can put it in here, so it's just all like one small piece, turning into, you know, kind of cool. Awesome. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for hearing me out. Yeah, so that guy just called the guy back again, and he's like, oh yeah, it needs to be fixed no matter what, because he can't use it. I'm like, okay, sure, I'll come back, but if the screen is still not doing the same thing, I'm not gonna, if it's swapped again, I'm not gonna change it this time, but I'll just tell him that, so that's probably the best way to get cured on that, you know, yeah. Get that situation solved and archived, and never heard after again. Okay, that's all. So I guess that's about it, guys. I will now go to the place and unscrew this. I'm still not used to transferring this thing because I'm using like one aftermarket thing from Smarty from Amazon. It's called Smarty. You're a genius, aren't you? No, I'm a Smarty, you idiot. That's funny. I guess should like there. Got it. Just gonna screen this a little time, but it's doable. Okay. Now we are turning this one off. This is good. Going out of the car. Actually gonna put that spider thing on again, the legs from my tripod, because it's easier for you guys to see what I'm doing now. So I can just set it anywhere. It's freaking awesome. Like actually, another advantage of buying things from GoPro, it becomes with the extra versatility. Cool. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now, and open this up to take a screen out. 5S, we'll go for the 5S, there's a 5S. Found it. It's my everyday life. Working during the day or any hour, and then at night I just do my editing and learning new stuff and making new vlogs or videos or whatever I can get my hands on and play with and learn and excel. That's right. That's all we want. Kind of set it all together. Now we are off. There's other people having lunch there. That was the receptionist having lunch. She's pretty cool. She has really good energy. I so like respect and enjoy people that have energy. It's just like so divine, and it's really hard to find sometimes. Especially in LA, sometimes you just don't find anybody having good energy. Everyone is like mad and stressed. Not sure why. Hey, how are you?
Good morning, how are you? Josh, this is another phone call you want to call from, or want to call you back? Okay, that's another way back.
I just texted Max to tell him that I'm here. Should be out.
Can I Josh with two more call back, please? Thank you.
And then the filling we made. It's a deposit.
Maybe with Max.
You know where they're here.
Yeah, I just texted him. I usually text him like a little bit before, but this time I was like, if I can just wait. Hi, man, everything good?
Yeah.
Yes, at 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Guess I'll just show them. putting it on video, whatever I do, and then I put it on YouTube. Kind of cool. It's like a marketing, you know? Like a commercial. Yeah, see, everything works. Inside the SIM card. That's Phon-Er. Thank you for watching, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Just see you guys, beautiful day. True.